we just slide tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. Turn it on. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
YouTube, this is your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. Okay, guys, so yesterday, I know I was supposed to upload the Jeffree Star video, but guess what? Here it is, right here, right now. And everybody that was asking, yes, I did get the job, so that is in the works. That's in the process right now. And I just want to say again, thank you to everybody that supported me, that's been buying the merch. I truly do appreciate it. I absolutely love my hoodie, love my shirt. I actually wore my shirt the other day. It looked so cute with a little like crop knot in it. So cute. So definitely get it. And also, if you are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring it, ding, 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 ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways. And right now, I have a Valentine's Day giveaway going on. I will leave that link in the description box below. Make sure you listen to the video very carefully and follow the rules. You must be subscribed. You must give the video a big thumbs up. And make sure you comment down below what your sign is. I'm a Gemini. What are you? All right, let's get into these Jeffree Star assumption spoilers. Okay, so I do this every time Jeffree Star spoilers come around. I always give you guys assumptions. You guys call me Detective Samantha Sweets. I love doing it for you guys, and I'm pretty good at it. I'm pretty good at guessing what's going to be in these boxes. So as you guys know, he normally puts out Valentine's Day boxes. This year, he is not, to my knowledge, it's not going to be Valentine's because it's going to be in March. He's going to be doing boxes towards the end of March. Now, as you guys know, his extreme gloss just came out yesterday. Comment down below if you got one. I did not, but I'm gonna tell you why. I think I figured out a little of Jeffree's mystery box material, if that makes sense what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is it kind of seems a lot like what launches is what's going to be in the box somehow, some way. And the reason I say that is because if you guys do not know, the Bloodlust, is it Bloodlust? Yes, the purple one. That one was dropped in January, and we had not had a mystery box until Halloween. And in Halloween is when he put the Bloodlusts in that box. Now, it's not always like that. It's not a guarantee like that. But remember, he just did do the velvet lips. I'm sorry, guys. I'm looking for my little spoilers here. Okay, he just did the velvet liquid lips, okay? He put it in the winter boxes. I was actually really shocked he did. So I'm starting to see kind of like a notion. Now, mind you, the extreme frosts, that took a whole year to go in the box. So clearly, you know what I mean? That I guessed it around Halloween. But as you guys know, that was a whole year before those bad boys dropped into the box. So I'm going with, okay, so first let's talk about the glosses, okay, because a lot of you guys wanted me to talk about them. I think, honestly, these Supreme glosses, I'm sorry, not Extreme, Supreme, these are beautiful. I'm putting pictures up. They're beautiful. Okay, I love the color. I love the color story. I actually really like that blue. I like that teal. These are colors that, you guys know, I don't believe there's rules in makeup. You wear them however you see fit, whenever you want to wear it. That's how you do. So I actually am very impressed. I love the color scheme. I love everything. Now, I'm not really much into the nudes, but a lot of you guys are. Now, speaking of that, he brought back he had those nudes, the little nude sets, and also we have the Supreme Gloss. Everybody is saying the Supreme Gloss is amazing. Now, I don't know how unless you really tried it, but everybody is like, oh yeah, I'm so getting that. I'm so getting that. Believe it or not, I have the Shane Dawson's The Gloss, and I'm not too about it. Now, comment down below. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. Now, disclaimer, I might love things that you love, and I might hate things that you like. Just remember, I'm not Willy Wonka. I don't sugarcoat shit. So I'm telling you how it is, how I feel. My thoughts, my opinions, my reviews. Okay. So I don't know how this gloss is, but a lot of you guys say you guys like it. So would I get it? Probably not. If I got it in my box, cool. Okay, so he started putting out little tidbits. I'm not saying that they're guaranteed spoilers, but Jeffree starts putting out things a month before boxes drop. We're in February. He's dropping boxes next month. Therefore, ergo. So the first thing that I'm seeing here is I see the Magic Star translucent powder. Now, he already did the powders in the winter boxes, but he put it up with a Magic Star, and I want to say that that is a concealer. Now, can he put if we choose what our skin tone is when picking boxes, he very well could do that. Has he done that? Not yet. But it'd be the same thing as when we're choosing our sizes. So remember that. And you never know what Jeffree's going to give us because he's full of surprises. Now, mind you, I'm still waiting for them liquid eyeshadows to drop. I am waiting. I've been waiting patiently. A patient baby bird waiting for these liquid eyeshadows to drop. He's been teasing them for me for almost a year and a half. So come on, Jeffree. I need these liquid eyeshadows. Okay, he also put up a picture of all the Blood Money and then the Northern Lights palette. We haven't seen the Northern Lights in a while. It's been a while since we've seen Northern Lights. So I'm thinking that the Northern Lights is going to be in this March box. Hey, green, St. Patrick's Day. I'm just saying. Okay, and then we have the Blood Money, which you guys would all go batty for if he dropped the Blood Money. Now, some people that got the Jeffree Star Beautylish extra large bag or extra large, whatever it is, the Beautylish, whoa, you guys got Blood Money. A lot of you guys got Blood Money. And I was like, oh my God, I'm so happy for you. You know what I mean? Because I'm not sure what the prices were of the Beautylish bags, but I think it was worth it pretty much all together. So there's that. Then we have here, okay, those are the Supreme glosses. I just think that pink is just, ooh, bam, so vibing. Like, oof. Okay, I love the applicator. I think that he could possibly give us a Supreme gloss. He very well could. I mean, the Velvet Lip dropped literally right before those boxes dropped also. So it's possible. It's plausible. Okay, then there's this picture. This picture is, I'm so confused. Maybe you guys can help me, okay? Jeffree dropped this on Instagram stories, and a lot of you guys sent me this, and I was like, what is that? I tried to figure it out. So, to my knowledge, these are his Supreme highlighters, okay? Supreme highlighters, but then there's these flower-shaped ones, and then a cow. Well, he does go to Wyoming a lot, but I am so confused. Does that even have anything to do with Jeffree? Or is it, is he tricking us? Or is this something that could be coming out? But again, that's not no star. That's a flower and a cow. So he got me stumped on that one. But you guys were all wanting to know, Samantha, is this something new? Is this something new? Girl, your guess is good as mine. Okay. Okay. Then I saw this picture. This is so pretty. I love the teal. I love the princess vibe and the rainbow vibes. Could he be giving us that Pride color box? The, I think, was it called Pride? It was the rainbow colors with the little mini liquid lips inside. Could we be getting that in March? Possibility. Never know. He did give us in the winter boxes the 25th anniversary, 5-year anniversary. I always want to say 25 years. 5-year anniversary. Possible. Then, of course, the infamous blood sugar. I swear to you, everybody wants every time the blood sugar posts, it's like crazy. A lot of people have it. A lot of people don't have it. So, could he be giving it to us? Is he retiring blood sugar? Who knows? I don't know. Speaking of retirement, he did bring back the popsicle mirrors and the rainbow, it wasn't Jawbreaker, creamsicle or something like that. He brought those back, those mirrors, for the collectors. I know you guys are so happy he brought those back. Me, I'm not a collector. I just really enjoy his makeup, his products, and him as a person. So, yeah, I was definitely not interested in that, but I'm sure a lot of you guys are very happy. Okay. And let me see here. And then there's always blue blood. He throws that in. So what are my guesses that he has not tricked us into? Yet, nobody, to my knowledge, has got the big Jawbreaker. Okay, big Jawbreaker was huge 2 years ago in his summer box. Everybody got the big Jawbreaker. Could he be giving us the Jawbreaker and the mini this time around? Like, could he really? Because, I mean, a lot of people have the mini, but then some people might not, especially if you're new to Jeffree Star. So, could he be giving us both? You know? And is he bringing back the old highlighter palettes, the ones that he put in the Valentine's Day box last year? Could he be giving us those? I'm just saying, like, the possibilities are endless. When I saw the makeup bag, which I guessed, by the way, okay, the straws, which I guessed, by the way, okay, I was not shocked. I was not shocked. Now, I really thought he was going to put in the Jeffree Star brushes, but I forgot that those are a Morphe collab, and he can't do that because it's not just his name. So, he couldn't do that. But he did. Huh. I was going to say, yeah, because Mini Conspiracy is Shane and his. But I'm sure Shane doesn't mind. You know what I mean? Morphe and them, you know, him done, they're done. But Shane, I don't think it would mind. But I don't know, guys. I think, honestly, I still have that question theory. Should we have gotten robes? You know, should we? Guess as good as mine. But it's the spring coming. It's the summer coming. What could he be giving us? I swear, if he gives us a Jeffree Star tank top, I'm done. I'm falling over backwards. That would be life. You know what I mean? A Jeffree Star tank top. You can wear it to bed, wear it under your clothes, wear it out, whatever. A Jeffree Star tank top. And with that one, I wouldn't mind it being white. I wouldn't mind a white tank top, honestly, because it's going under my clothes. But who knows, guys? Who knows? So I want you to comment down below what you think is going to be in these March boxes. He doesn't even really have a name for them. So I'm going to say that they're spring boxes because he did do something like that. But, you know, again, we did the Halloween. We did the winter. Now it's time for Valentine's, but he did it so close the year before that. He did Black Friday boxes, you know what I mean? And they came out Christmas. Now he looks like he's skipping Valentine's Day, and I don't know if it's because all those mystery boxes for winter didn't sell, but I appreciate him doing as many as he did because so many people are disappointed and do not end up getting boxes. So I am so grateful he did do those. Now remember, I bought all of them and I returned all of them. I didn't receive them yet. The shipping didn't even go out yet, and I actually canceled on Christmas Eve. They refunded my money back the next day on Christmas Day, and I canceled all of my boxes. I did get all of them though. So this time around, I do want to get all of them again, but I want to get them all for you guys. You know what I mean? I love doing the giveaways with them. So go ahead and subscribe because you know it's going to be a Jeffree Star giveaway going on. And please make sure that you have your notification bell turned on because you never know when your girl is going to do a video or even a giveaway. Follow your girl on Instagram at SamanthaSweets102, and I will see you guys on the next video. Let me hear your guesses in the comments down below. Love you guys. Bye.
Just like tonight.